How to delete Falou account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete your Falou account. So here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Falou application, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you're brought to the home page automatically where you see courses, okay? And then you see courses, words, as well as progress. So once you can see this, the next thing for you to do is to click on your progress tab. After clicking on your progress tab, by the top right corner, you would see two icons, your gear icon and then the countries icon. You just go ahead and click on the gear icon. The gear icon stands for settings, okay? So after clicking on it, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, you can see the options displayed, which include terms, privacy, I need help, and then sign out. Just go ahead and click on I need help. After clicking on I need help, you'll be taken to the helps page, and then go ahead and locate the question which you have, which is basically how do I delete my account. So select it, and then you can see the answer. Instead of deleting your account and losing all your Falou progress, you can simply delete the app while you don't use it in the future. If you want to come back to Falou, you will still have all your progress saved. So you can just say, okay, I'll just delete the app, or no, I want to delete my account. So click on no, I want to delete my account, and then you'll be directed on what to do from there. So this is how you can delete your account on Falou. Thanks for watching and have a good day.